Stage 3 Production. In production, the film is created and shot. More crew will be recruited at this stage, such as the property master, script supervisor, assistant directors, still photographer, picture editor, and sound editors. These are just the most common roles in filmmaking. The production office will be free to create any unique blend of roles to suit the various responsibilities possible during the production of a film. A typical day shooting begins with the crew arriving on the set location by their call time. Actors usually have their own separate call times since set construction. Dressing and lighting can take many hours or even days. They are often set up in advance. The grip, electric and production design crews are typically a steps ahead the camera and sound departments. For efficiency's sake, while a scene is being filmed, they are already preparing the next one. While the crew prepares their equipment, the actors do their costumes and attend the hair and makeup departments. The actors rehearse the script and blocking with the director, and the camera and sound crews rehearse with them and make final tweaks. Finally, the action is shot in as many takes as the director wishes. Most American productions follow a specific procedure. The assistant director AD calls picture is up to inform everyone that a take is about to be recorded and then quiet everyone. Once everyone is ready to shoot, the AD calls roll sound and the production and sound mixer will start their equipment. Record a verbal slate of the takes information and announce sound speed or just speed when they are ready. The AD follows with roll camera answered by speed by the camera operator. The clapper who is already in front of the camera with the clapboard calls marker and slaps it shut. If the take involves extras or background action, the AD will cue them. And last is the director telling the actors action. The AD may echo action louder on large sets. The take is over when the director calls cut and the camera and sound stop recording. The script supervisor will note any continuity issues, and the sound and camera teams log technical notes for the take on their respective report sheets. If the director decides additional takes are required, the whole process repeats. Once satisfied, the crew moves on to the next camera angle or setup until the whole scene is covered. When shooting is finished of the scene, the assistant director declares a wrap or moving on, and the crew will strike or dismantle the set for that scene. At the end of the day, the director approves the next day's shooting schedules and the daily progress report is sent to the production office. This includes the report sheet from continuity, sound and camera teams. Call sheets are distributed to the cast and crew to tell them when and where to turn up the next shooting day. Later on, the director, producer, other department heads, and sometimes the cast may gather to watch that day or yesterday's footage, called dailies, and review their work. With work days often lasting 14 or 18 hours in remote locations, film production tends to create a team spirit. When the entire film is in the can or in the completion of the production phase, it is customary for the production office to arrange a wrap party to thank all the cast and crew for their efforts. For the production phase on live action film, synchronizing work schedules of key cast and crew members is very important. Since for many scenes, several cast members and most of the crew must be physically present at the same place at the same time. Animated films have different workflow at the production phase, in that voice talent can record their takes in the recording studio at different times and may not see one another until the film's premiere. While most physical live action takes are either unnecessary or are simulated by various types of animators,